ஆனால் நீங்களோ எந்த உதயமும் இன்றி உறவும் இன்றி தான் தோன்றியாக ஊத்துக்கோட்டை அரூரிலே இருந்து திருப்பத்தூர் சென்று கிருஷ்ணகிரி சென்று அங்கிருந்தே சென்னை வந்து ராஞ்சி சென்று டெல்லியிலே மையம் கொண்டிருக்கிறீர்கள். ஆனால் நீங்களோ எந்த உதயமும் இன்றி உறவும் இன்றி தான் தோன்றியாக ஊத்துக்கோட்டை அரூரிலே இருந்து திருப்பத்தூர் சென்று கிருஷ்ணகிரி சென்று அங்கிருந்தே சென்னை வந்து ராஞ்சி சென்று டெல்லியிலே மையம் கொண்டிருக்கிறீர்கள். ஆனால் நீங்களோ எந்த உதயமும் இன்றி உறவும் இன்றி தான் தோன்றியாக ஊத்துக்கோட்டை அரூரிலே இருந்து திருப்பத்தூர் சென்று கிருஷ்ணகிரி சென்று அங்கிருந்தே சென்னை வந்து ராஞ்சி சென்று டெல்லியிலே மையம் கொண்டிருக்கிறீர்கள்.
It is also for everybody. Yes, because we are interested in the institution. Either myself, my brother, or the VP, or Mr. Rajagopal, or the other advocates, and Mr. Palkanagara, and Mr. India Prasad. Everybody is interested in the institution.
May I make a mention that in contempt proceedings, the charges were so far not framed, Milad. Before ever Milad frame our charges, the parties are Milad if inquired. That is the legal charges to be framed, then Milad.
Now I will pass the order. Please, 1 minute. 1 minute. Yes. The last paragraph. We have no fear or hesitation in dealing with the matter and punish the contemnant properly according to law. However, on the facts and circumstances, we are of the view that taking action only against Mr. P. Dharmaraj and Mr. A.K. Ramasamy, the contemnant herein, would not be sufficient to prevent the persist illegal activities, which is going on a number of years after the constitution of Madurai bench. A suggestion was placed before us by persons interested in the institution to consider concurrent filing of cases at the principal bench or closure of the Madurai bench for certain period. Similarly, directions to the High Court administration to prevent illegal activities of certain group of lawyers. Similarly, to decide security arrangement to be made by the central uniformed force. We find it reasonable that laundry bench has to be consulted, preferably headed by the Chief Justice, to give a full stop to the illegal activities of certain lawyers acting against the judicial institution, one of the important pillars of democracy, and also against majority of advocates interested in the profession. But this is directed to place this matter before the Honorable Chief Justice for passing appropriate orders. We feel, I myself feel, that it should be placed before a larger bench to give a quiet test. Because today Mr. Dharmaraj is available, Mr. A.K. Ramasamy is available. Tomorrow some other Kupusamy or Patrika may be available. But we have no grudge against this person or any other person. But the institution should function properly. Therefore we need a proper guidelines from the Chief Justice.
I find that a vast number of the cases are unnecessarily entertained in the name of public interest. I only wanted to remind ourselves that people who make law also are aware of the public interest. They are also conscious of the public morality. They are also in the knowledge of the constitutional morality.
To me, a judge who hears a case must deliver a judgment preferably within a month, and in any case within 3 months, as has been cautioned by Justice Thomas in that judgment. Not more than 3 months. Then what happens if a judge does not deliver a judgment in 3 months? I would tell the Chief Justice, whether it is Chief Justice of India or Chief Justice of the High Court concerned, should not allocate work to a judge who has judgments pending for more than 3 months?
This is a mindless litigation, and it's not a stray case. This kind of litigation goes on in this country every day in many courts. But I don't understand. I can multiply the examples. If only I'm given time, in the next 10 minutes I can tell you 10 examples which I dealt personally. It requires a clear policy on the part of the state. When we're talking, private litigants need not have a policy because they are individuals. They have no obligation to the rest of the society, barring moral obligations or legal obligations stipulated by the law. But in the matter of litigation, they don't owe any obligation.
Hello, sir. Hello, Mr. Chief Justice of Madras Bench, High Court. Please see this tweet, sir. This OS 30 of 2014 on file with the ADM at Tirumangalam is a false case that amounts to running with 3 lakh pending cases in India, sir. Please immediately go through the vigilance letter, sir. Vigilance has given a letter that is numbered as 583 2019 against this Basat Begum, sir. See, there are allegations against A. Basat Begum. Then third additional district municip Tirumangalam, now sub-judge at Melur. This letter, vigilance letter, is dated 27th day of August 2019, sir. This letter is addressed to me, Surendranath Pachari at Madurai, sir. Please see immediately and place this Barsad Begum and another judge, S. Muthukumaravel, immediately in suspension and dismissal, sir. It is a fit case. It is a fit case where you can dismiss even the advocate S. Murugadas and G. Adaikalam, sir. Please immediately follow this and send me the relief, sir. I have lost 10 lakh rupees by way of default in rent, sir. This OS 30 of 2014 on file with the ADM court at Tirumangalam is utterly false, nonsense that cannot stand in the judicial path. You are the first officer in Tamil Nadu, sir. I request you to immediately place the 2 judges and 3 advocates immediately on suspension, sir. Pachari Yoga International Trust, that is right. This is to certify that OS 30 of 2014 on file with additional district municip Tirumangalam is mollified, illegal, concocted, corrupted and corroded in judicial value, and that Pachari manages to file petition in person to set aside the ex parte permanent injunction in IA number 301 of 2019. This is to certify that this trust places highest esteem in judiciary, and in view thereof praise the Honorable ADM Court at Tirumangalam to forward all documents in OS 30 of 2014 to the Registrar of Vigilance at Chennai Honorable High Court, before whom the said matter is pending. Pachari approaches Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Bar Council of India to invoke penal provisions on erring advocates Mr. S. Murugadas of Madurai, Mr. G. Adaikalam and senior advocate S. Namachivayam of Tirumangalam for bribing and judicial trespass in the Honorable Yedim Court in OS 30 of 2014. Pachari praised the Honorable Yedim to place the accused Kapalur Sitco, Amman Polymer S Anandan and officials of KIA for crimes in crime number 135 of 2015, crime number 82 of 2017, and for jumping anticipatory bail of the Honorable Madurai Bench, High Court. Thus signed, Pachari Yoga International Trust, approved senior fellow valuer at the Institution of Valuers, New Delhi, thus dated 25th day of January 2020. Hello, sir. Hello, my respected Lord Chief Justice of Madras High Court, sir. You please see my petition, sir, to the Registrar, respected and learned Registrar, Vigilance, the Honorable Madras High Court. Okay, sir. I have submitted one reply, sir, to this ROC number 583, dated 27/8. I have sent it by registered AD, sir, on 12/9/2019, sir. Please see, sir, grievance petition submitted pertains to the conduct of learned judge, learned advocates and officials in the Honorable Additional District Municipal Court. Sir, this is, please see something, sir, do something, sir. See, this petition is more than 1 year now. It is dozing in the registrar's office at Chennai. I have submitted a list of questions, sir, containing 120 questions for answer from learned Madam Barsat Begum to save time. Sir, her name is wrongly filled, and whether this Barsat Begum is really the original Barsat Begum or duplicate person. It is a case of impersonation, sir, impersonation. Because her name is written as Barsad Begum in the registers. But she should be as, she should not be sad. She should be as a Barsat Begum. Barsat means rain. Barsad means, Barsad means she is sad in the Bar Council. It cannot, her name is wrong, sir. Sir, please do something, sir. Hello, my dear citizen. This is Pachari Yoga International Trust. That is right. This is to certify that this trust is registered under Societies Registration Act in India. This trust is a non-profit and goes online with yoga as a mandate for duty, diligence and dedication in public life. The sole mandate holder of this trust is the approved senior fellow valuer in the Institution of Valuers at New Delhi. Pachari is a senior consulting engineer in the Institution of Engineers at Kolkata. Pachari is the qualified senior technologist from PSC institutions at Coimbatore. Pachari is also the senior cost analyst from the University of Bombay. This senior citizen, Pachari, is also the retired central pensioner in India who can take challenges as an expert in yoga and as an exponent in Bhagavadgita. In this clip, the trust endorses that yoga alone can redefine service, health, hospitalization, trade, production, employment, war and peace. Thus signed by the sole mandate holder for Pachari Yoga International Trust. Thus dated 28th day of January 2020. Please visit further.
Hello, my Lord Chief Justice of Madras High Court. This is, see how bad this ADM court at Tirumangalam. They are misusing the stamp, dead stamp. See, they are misusing the dead stamp. This is September. This is 30th August. September. They are misusing the rubber stamp, my dear sir. Please wake up, sir. Do something, sir. Just dismiss that 3 judges and the 3 advocates immediately, sir. Restore my rent in my bank account, sir. That's all very simple, sir. You can do it, sir. Don't think that you are too less. You don't know your powers. I shall tell you one thing. In Bhagavadgita, they say, Yada yada hi dharmasya glanihi bhavati bharata. See, this is the misuse of, blatant misuse of rubber stamp by ADM court at Tirumangalam, sir. Please put one signature and establish your dharma. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanihi bhavati bharata abhyuktanam adharmasya tadatmanam srujamyaham. Sir, this is the counter filed by 2 idiots, advocates. See, Advocate G. Adai Kalam. He signs as if he is Abdul Kalam, sir. Mr. Chief Justice of Madras High Court. Please see. This S. Murugadas is unfit. See, somebody has written something illegible. First, this is a wrong document. It cannot be held as a counter in IA 301 of 2014, OS 30 of 2014. Sir, again, again this is a mistake. IA number 301 of 2000, it should be 2019. This fellow is writing, these two fellows are writing, sir. These two fellows. The unfit advocates, sir. Please dismiss him, sir. Please be very much pleased in dismissing these fellows. This petitioner, defendant. Okay. What is this nonsense? Sri Amman Palimer. Amman Palimer has got no right to sue or appear in the court as a plaintiff, because it is an unregistered form, sir. Sir, please do something about this, sir. Represented by 3 partners. They are not partners, sir. S Anandan. Sir, DAN they are writing, here they are writing THAN, and 3 others they are telling. And 3 others are adulterators, sir. They are involved in adulteration case. This document given to me on 14/10 is actually false, useless document, sir. They are giving in the court of additional district municip, sir. Chief Justice, sir. Please see this, sir. I have been charging this Barsad Begum as a useless lady, sir. This Tamil Nadu we are having, this Amma Unavagam. Amma Unavagam means they are giving hot idlis daily morning at the rate of 5 rupees, very cheap. And in that, no, this Barsad Begum can, I mean, அது என்ன சொல்றது இங்கிலீஷில் மாவாட்டுறது. Judge Barsad Begum, sir, மாவாட்டுறது expert, sir. Okay, sir, come to this, sir. This affidavit number 2 is writing. See, they are telling 2 advocates. So only one advocate is signing something. He is blabbering in the mouth, sir. This is actually false document, sir. Sir, please wake up, sir. Mr. Chief Justice, sir, please wake up, sir. Like this, there are thousands of cases. Why don't you close this Tirumangalam ADM court, sir? That new municip, one lady, sir, she is afraid to handle these cases because these advocates behave like illiterate rogues. Sir, you see, sir, I found one very big mistake, sir. This will suffice to show that the mollified intention on the part of petitioner to dragon. What is this dragon, sir? This shows that he is the 2 advocates, S. Murugadas and G. Adaikalam, are utterly false, illiterate idiots. That is certified as that is certified by the Bar Council, sir. Please do something, sir. Somebody is putting signature without registration number, enrollment number. This is also false, sir. Sir, this is a blatant false, sir. He is writing something like that. Solemnly affirm, signed before me. யார் சைன்டுன்னு தெரியல. பிஃபோர் மீனா யார்? இவரே மேஜிஸ்ட்ரேட்டா என்னது? I don't know whether he is magistrate himself or advocate. This bloody signature on dash. They have not put the date, sir. Why this advocate is a false fellow? See, signed, solemnly affirmed, signed before me. Before whom? Before this idiot advocate? Sir, please do something, sir. Honest rent is swallowed by this fellow, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chief Justice of Madras High Court. And thank you, Mr. Krivakaran sir, the Chief Justice of Madurai Bench High Court, sir. Sir, please see this, sir. Immediately, these two advocates are idiots. Thank you. This video, sir. How this honest yogi is suffering from OS 30 of 2014. Please see this, sir. This posture, yoga posture, sir. I am suffering from concocted, corrupted, corroded OS 30 of 2014, sir. It is a malified, illegal and fraud on rent money, sir. Please see this video, sir. How the old man is killed by Krishna himself. Please do something, sir. Life is just like a wheel, sir, that turns up and down. Your Chief Justice or anybody may die tomorrow, sir, or tonight, sir. Please, जी, ये OS 30 of 2014 को खत्म कर दीजिए. 3 judges, यानी बरसात बेगम, S Muthukumaran, and S Muthukumaran, sub-judge. Please place them under dismissal, sir. And call me, I'll give you the beautiful and fit picture. Why they should be dismissed from service, sir. See, this arrow shot by Arjuna, sir. I'm not Arjuna, sir, but thing is that you are the Arjuna for dismissal of 3 judges and 3 advocates, sir. And you are the Bhagavan, Sri Krishna, to destroy the evil force in OS 30 of 2014 that is on file with the ADM court at Tirumangalam, sir. Please, do something, sir. Before the accused escapes. Accused is escaping. The crime number 135 of 2015 and the crime number 82 of 2017. Don't allow these people to escape, sir. They are influence peddling. This S Anandan and S Murugadas advocate. S Murugadas advocate should be arrested. Please do something, sir. Pachari Yoga International Trust is a footmat for the learned judges at High Court and Supreme Court, sir.